the Brave Raindrop. Hey, friends, welcome back to Valorverse, where little stories carry big lessons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so you never miss a new adventure. High above the earth, inside a fluffy white cloud, lived a tiny raindrop. This little raindrop was different. While all the other raindrops laughed and played, excited to fall to the ground, this one trembled with fear. Raindrop thinks to himself, what if I fall and break? What if I disappear? What if I'm not important at all? The cloud whispered gently, every raindrop has a purpose. You'll see when the time comes. But the little raindrop shook nervously, clinging tighter to the cloud. One day, the cloud grew heavy and dark. The other raindrops cheered, it's time! Let's go! One by one, they leaped joyfully, sparkling as they fell. But the little raindrop stayed behind, afraid. The cloud smiled kindly. Dear one, sometimes courage is simply taking the first step, or the first fall. With a deep breath, the raindrop finally let go. Down, down, it tumbled through the cool air. At first, it was scary, but soon the raindrop began to twinkle in the sunlight. It landed softly on a flower. The thirsty flower drank it in and bloomed brighter than ever before. The raindrop smiled. Oh, I made a flower bloom. Then, as the rain continued, the little raindrop flowed into a stream, joining other drops, and together they rushed joyfully into a great river. Look at us! We make rivers flow. We feed trees. We give life to the earth. At last, the raindrop understood. Its fear was gone. Its heart was full. And so, the little raindrop learned that courage is not the absence of fear. It's taking the leap, even when you're scared, because sometimes the bravest drops create the biggest rivers. Thanks for watching. Remember, just like the brave raindrop, you have a special purpose too. Be brave. Take that leap, and amazing things will happen. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories.